Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best gifts for a 6-year-old girl is probably one of the most exciting and sometimes challenging shopping experiences, as this age is a magical time filled with burgeoning imagination, a love for play, and the beginnings of independent thought, making it crucial to select presents that not only entertain but also foster creativity, encourage learning, and align with her developing personality and interests, ensuring the gift brings genuine joy and lasting memories. Number 5. Crayola Light Up Tracing Pad Pink. Discover the magic of the Crayola Light Up Tracing Pad. It's the perfect gift for creative kids, offering hours of artistic fun. This set comes with everything you need to begin tracing right away. It includes colored pencils, tracing sheets, and blank paper for endless possibilities. The built-in LED lights make tracing simple and enjoyable. Watch your designs come to life as you easily transfer them onto paper. Its lightweight and kid-friendly design ensures comfort and stability. The no-slip frame provides a perfect canvas for your creations. Take your creativity anywhere with this portable art studio. It's ideal for on-the-go drawing and tracing, making art accessible wherever you go. This educational toy introduces children to various art styles. It's a fantastic way to develop skills in sketching, lettering, and even 2D animation. What we like? This tracing pad brings art to life with its bright, illuminated surface. It's perfect for young artists who love to draw and learn new techniques. If you're looking for a way to encourage creativity and introduce your child to different art forms like animation and lettering, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The toy is very durable and has survived many drops. My daughter loves the bright colors and the interactive features. It's a great educational toy that keeps her engaged for hours. Number 4. Selieve Kids Walkie Talkies. Looking for a fun gift for kids aged 3 to 12? These walkie-talkies are perfect for birthdays and holidays, suitable for both boys and girls. They're great for indoor fun and outdoor adventures like camping and hiking. Enjoy crisp and smooth sound quality with adjustable volume. The call alert function adds excitement, while the key lock ensures they stay on the right channel, making playtime even more enjoyable. These are designed to be small, light, and easy to hold. Weighing only 90 g each, they are comfortable for children to carry and use. The simple push-to-talk button makes communication a breeze. Keep track of your little ones during outdoor adventures with this intelligent alarm system. They are the ideal outdoor toys, helping you stay connected with family and friends wherever you go. With a modern, compact design, these are incredibly easy to operate. Just push to talk, or double-click for a special beep. You can easily communicate with multiple units on different channels. These offer a range of up to 3 miles, perfect for exploring the outdoors. They feature 22 channels for clear communication, making them a fantastic tool for any adventure. What we like? These walkie-talkies offer clear sound and a secure connection for outdoor adventures. They are designed for easy use and durability, making them ideal for kids. If your child loves exploring, camping, or just staying connected with friends and family during outdoor play, these are a great pick. What people say. The product works great and has a nice design. It has a fun feature that keeps kids entertained for hours. The quality is excellent and it's very durable. Number 3. TEKFUN LCD Writing Tablet for Kids, Pink. Ignite your child's imagination with this vibrant 10-inch drawing pad. It offers a spacious canvas for endless creativity, all while protecting their eyes with a colorful, glare-free screen. Say goodbye to paper waste and messy art supplies. This drawing tablet provides thousands of uses on a single, replaceable battery, offering a clean and eco-friendly way to create. Creating is a breeze with its pressure-sensitive technology. Lines appear with a simple touch, and the screen clears instantly with one click. Accidental erasures are prevented with a handy lock feature. Weighing only 150 grams, this lightweight tablet is designed for on-the-go fun. It easily fits into any bag, making it ideal for car rides, flights, or any adventure. Crafted from durable plastic, it's built to withstand drops and spills. You can have peace of mind knowing it's waterproof and anti-fall, ready for any childhood escapade. Looking for the perfect present? This versatile tablet is an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a fantastic educational and travel toy for children aged 3 to 8. What we like. This writing tablet provides a mess-free way for kids to express their creativity. Its colorful, eye-friendly screen ensures hours of drawing fun without the waste of paper. If you need a portable and durable drawing tool for car rides, plane trips, or just quiet time at home, this is an excellent option. What people say. This is a great gift for a 6-year-old girl who loves to be creative and imaginative. The product is well made and durable, perfect for little hands. It encourages problem-solving skills and provides hours of entertainment. Number 2. Purple Ladybug Decorate Your Own Water Bottle Kit. Transform a plain water bottle into a dazzling, personalized masterpiece. With sparkly gems, colorful stickers, and fun accessories, you can easily peel, stick, and decorate. Then, add the wristlet and charms to make it uniquely yours. This magical craft kit includes everything for a fantastic crafting experience. You'll find a durable aluminum water bottle, adorable unicorn charms, gemstone and vinyl stickers, and a sparkly wristlet for easy carrying. Delight any unicorn fan with this unique and practical gift. It's a fun, creative present that's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give a thoughtful gift you'll be proud of. Kids will love customizing their bottles with waterproof, easy-to-peel stickers that stay put. The leak-proof lid is designed for little hands, and the wide opening makes cleaning a breeze. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this water bottle is designed with your child's safety in mind. It's rigorously tested to meet strict international toy safety standards, making it ideal for home and school. What we like. This kit lets your child personalize their own water bottle with sparkly gems and stickers. It's a fun, creative craft that results in a functional accessory. If your child loves unicorns and enjoys hands-on crafting, this is a perfect gift that encourages both creativity and hydration. What people say. This is a great gift for a 6-year-old girl who loves to be creative. The kit includes everything needed to make several beautiful bracelets. The instructions are easy to follow, even for a beginner. Number 1. Goopow Kids Camera Toys. Looking for the ideal gift for kids aged 3 to 8? This upgraded digital camera is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's made with safe, eco-friendly materials and features a user-friendly 2.0 LCD screen. This toy video camera boasts significantly improved photo definition compared to others on the market. It can record videos in up to 1080p and offers an 8x digital zoom, ensuring those wonderful moments are captured clearly. This upgraded device offers a variety of functions beyond just taking pictures and videos. It includes engaging puzzle games, some with motion control, and 28 scene selections for photos, providing endless entertainment. It comes with a built-in rechargeable lithium battery offering 1.5 to 2 hours of continuous use and supports up to a 32GB SD card, which is included. Operation is simple, just turn it on to start capturing fun. Weighing only 100g and with a compact size, it's easy for children to carry anywhere. It even includes a lanyard so they can wear it around their neck and capture the beauty of nature with the family. Downloading photos and videos to a computer is a breeze using the included card reader. This allows children to easily share their captured memories and experiences with friends and family. What we like. This digital camera is designed for little hands, capturing memories in HD. It's packed with fun features like games and selfie mode, making it engaging for kids. If you want to give your child their first camera to explore photography and videography in a fun, durable package, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great gift for a 6-year-old girl who loves to be creative and imaginative. The product is well made and durable, perfect for little hands. It encourages learning through play, making it both fun and educational. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.